welcome to the mesmerizing Zanzibar Islands, Tanzania, a true gem in the Indian Ocean. Get ready to embark on a journey filled with beauty, culture, and adventure. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the spice markets and savor the unique blend of flavors in the local cuisine. Experience the culinary delights influenced by African, Arab, Indian, and Portuguese traditions. Indulge in the renowned Zanzibari dishes like Zanzibar pizza and flavorful seafood curries. Delight your taste buds with the authentic flavors of this exotic destination. For the thrill seekers, Zanzibar offers a plethora of exciting activities including snorkeling, diving, and kite surfing. Dive into the vibrant underwater world teeming with marine life and vibrant coral reefs. Unwind on the pristine beaches, bask in the sun, and enjoy a refreshing cocktail while soaking in the breathtaking views. Experience true relaxation in this tropical paradise. Immerse yourself in the island's history by visiting a spice farm and learn about its legacy as a prominent spice producer. Engage with the friendly locals and embrace the hospitality that defines Zanzibar. Whether you seek a romantic escape, a family retreat, or a solo adventure, Zanzibar caters to all. Pack your bags and set off to explore this tropical haven. Thank you for joining our ultimate travel guide to Zanzibar Islands, Tanzania. Subscribe for more travel insights and let the adventures begin.
Please like, share and subscribe.